We back, ladies and gentlemen. You see it. It's not an unboxing today. If you've been watching the channel, you already know I just cashed out on a $5,000 deal. Jordan 1s, Jordan 3s, Jordan 4s, Spizikes. We got everything. Let's get right into it. You see the box. Tinker, he's here. Oh, shout out to my man DJ Forbidden. Went out, copped his entire collection, 18 pairs of dead stock J's. No clue why this dude had all these Jordans. Look at what we got. Jordan 3 retros. Tinker Black Cement. Well, let's get right into it. This colorway is super interesting. You got multiple shades of black. You got the black elephant print here, black on the midsole, white on the midsole, gray on the midsole. That's going to help you keep your sneakers fresh longer. Gray, white, and black on the outsole. Obviously, you got the stars here. Here you go. Gold accents here. You have the gray silverish tongue, which I like. Super metallic. You can kind of see it in the light. It's got that shimmer. Toe box is black. That elephant print everywhere. What do we got on the inside? Ooh, I like that. A little bit of a design. It's hard to see it. The lighting is not great inside and there, but effectively it's a Jordan 3, if you can see that. Nike Air branding on the heel. Nike on the opposite side. Let me see. Did Nike do what I love? They didn't. Nope, no extra laces. Oh, I didn't see this. Tinker Hatfield. It's got a little signature right there. I mean, base level Jordan 3s. Interesting because you're mixing materials here. I like that. That's going to be good for contrast. These are very simple colorway, so you can wear these with a lot of different things. And they're Tinkers, man. You know, everybody loves a good Tinker design Jordan. If you don't know who that is, that's okay. I'm not a sneakerhead. You're not a sneakerhead. It's all good. But I need to know what you think about these sneakers. Are they fire? Are they trash? It's your man Little Peso, and I'm not a sneakerhead.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Not a Sneakerhead. You can subscribe here or you can watch a video that I've selected just for you. Make sure you keep your sneakers clean and have a great day.